We're going to have a Silky Monday. These are all silks. This first one is a silk blend, and they're all silks for $19.99, and they're as high as $40 a yard. So I'm really hoping that you tap in. Silk is, we're seeing it a lot for spring. Scarves, linings of jackets, all kinds of really useful things. This first one is a silk blend. It's a silk viscose. Beautiful colors. It's the purple, the grape, what's in right now, the plaid. It's just a beautiful piece of fabric. It'd be great for a blouse. It's real firm. It's lovely. It's really just lovely. Then we have a stretch silk. And this is a dual border. I'm going to kind of hold it this way. You can see there's a border on that side, and then it repeats in the middle. And this is a stretch silk. It has stretch in one direction. And again, a beautiful piece of fabric. All the current colors, the gold, the purple that's in there. Just really beautiful. $19.99, you guys. Love this. Now these silks are great. These are wovens. They're beautiful for scarves, blouses, even skirts. They'd be lovely. Just put a little lining behind them. This is a woven, 100% silk. Isn't that gorgeous? Then this is just a great base, this white silk. And that is a white. Well, it's probably not a white, but it's kind of milk. But it's beautiful. Very pretty. And then this one, I love the colors in this. You've got your orange, very springy. Your butter, sorry, I can't talk. Butter yellow is what I'm trying to say. It's the same on both sides. So again, scarves are so stylish right now. It'd be great for scarves or a blouse with a scarf. Look at this. Is that beautiful? It's kind of got a goldy background and then touches of orange and yellow. Just lovely. And again, both sides are usable, 100% silk, but you can still make a blouse out of it and just put a little tank top underneath. Like put this little tank underneath and you can see that it just brings out the colors. Just so very pretty. So today, $19.99, these beautiful silks, the gold, you know it. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.